Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench. What is this? Clinical Skincare Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. So, my dermatologist recommended this to me. I heard it works very well for dry skin. And apparently, you should just use a little bit of it. Apply fluffy light cream twice daily to face and neck with continued use. So yeah, let's check it out. It's pretty small packaging. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. Pretty cool packaging. It's like cloudy. What the heck? There's nothing in it. Just kidding. I think I feel something on the bottom. So this is pretty funny packaging. See, it's clouds. And then you get the product. Oh, they could have doubled the size of the product and but cool. All right, here's some paperwork. We know how to use this stuff. All right, Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench. What size is this? 20 ml, 0.67 fluid ounce. Check it out. Wow. Looks cloudy. Looks like it will feel wonderful on the skin. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and thank you all for watching. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.